Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. I got my mother-in-law's Ryobi 18v 1 Plus. It's been sitting for over a year. Went to charge it. This is what I'm getting. Error on both. This was after putting it on all night, not charging. That's all I have. So I was told we were getting ready to throw it away or tell her to buy some new batteries, but we all know you can almost buy a brand new cordless drill. I'm gonna unplug it, plug it back in, plug it back in. And what this is supposed to do is do a surge. Keep doing this. And this is my first attempt doing this, so we're gonna see if it works. I see the red wanting to come on. Said sometimes it can take a little time, but pretty much doing this live. Let's see if it works. There we go. It's showing charge. So we'll see. Little trick I learned actually watching on YouTube, but it is now charging. Thank you and have a good day.